Corona. So what is up, guys? It's your boy Legendary Sparking back again with another video. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please click down the subscribe button below and never forget to like, or else I'm gonna kill your face. So top notch for this video, I'll be reviewing two products, which is the mechanical keyboard K28 and the RGB mousepad. So those are the two products that I'll be reviewing, supposedly to be separated, but I'll be amalgamating those two products into one video. So let's get,
as you can see, here is get out of the way. Here is the product that we're talking here right now. Here it is. The package is delivered. Alright, this is the product, the two products that I ordered from Lazada, and it cost me 1,320 pesos. Here is the parcel, Flex Philippines. As you can see, okay, I'm gonna blur it out. It's my address. Okay, and the shop name is Socom and CCTV. But I recently checked from Lazada, the application. This two product is already out of stock, so you can check other shop with this particular product. It's not that as cheap that you could get what I received from Socom and CCTV shop. Get it started. Let's go.
Sick of this up, a bunch of creepy broke with the mystic style. Smoking on whatever, been a junkie since I was a child. Every time I think of death, I start to go and crack a smile. Never gave no fuck about this life, and that's me keeping in mind. Killer gorilla mania.
let's cut it right to the chase. Let's unbox this. Right, here is the packaging cutter, and this is the box. Okay. Be gentle when you cut your package, and disclaimer that you may want to have damages on your box. Yeah, just be gentle, you know. Just be gentle, right? Just be gentle, right? Be gentle. Okay. Yeah, seriously, just be gentle. Because you do not want your product to be destroyed or be in rubbish condition. Same, right? Okay. Cut off tapes. See, this is the keyboard, and this is the glowing cool RGB mousepad. Okay, so let's start reviewing.
Pull it up with the pump. Sucks that'll make you suck. Drugs always keep me up. Wake up in the morning just to pass up. Bitches, fuck the population.
Oh, scared me, Lazada. Gosh. Okay, so here is the mechanical K28 keyboard. As you can see, I like the box, you know. I really like the box. This design is ergonomic. The large palm rest design is not included in the box, but it's inside. Okay, I will show you later. Okay, so here all keys without conflict. This keyboard is really loud when you type, but that's the point. It's a mechanical keyboard, so explains that all keys without conflict. It has a bunch of color modes. I think it's 5 to 10 modes, but you will see that later in this video. So it's a good keyboard.
Ooh, snaps. I like slicing. Looks great. It's a great outdoor.
As you can see, this is the keyboard. Comes with 87 keys. Put this out of the box. Put that aside. Here you have the USB cable built in. My time back then, I used a wireless keyboard, which is you need AA batteries from time to time. You know, you have to replace your battery after a month or maybe after weeks. So this is very handy. So let's test the keys. I really like the sound of keys without conflict feature. So it's a great keyboard. Inside the box we have this styro, I don't know, plastic thingy. Okay, and here is the palm rest. This is for the keyboard. So let's take this out. Package. Okay, so there we go. It's really nice. It has that it's actually plastic, but the surface is very smooth. Not that smooth, but matte finish. See that? I'm starting to like this product. It's just all getting started. Other stuff. And here you have, I don't know what this thing is. What's this thing supposed to do? Okay, here we have the manual in Chinese language. Yeah, wired backlighting mechanical keyboard manual. Even if it's Chinese, well, you have the English language. So you have those steps. Has a bunch of modes, so let you have that demo in a bit. So let's get this thing running. So as you can see, this is my setup. My desk. Here is the keyboard that I'm currently using, which is broken. Some of these keys are not functioning, so I decided to buy a keyboard. I just set up my computer. So it's a password. Okay. This mouse pad is new, but I don't really like the top design. Well, yeah, maybe we'll get the mouse pad. So here it is. Are you ready for the transformation? I can't hear you. Are you ready for the transformation? Yeah? Yeah? Okay. In 3, 2, 1. So here we have the keyboard itself. As you can see, I managed to put the palm rest of the keyboard, and it has 9 different effects mode. Simply just press FN and SL simultaneously. So this mode 2, okay, mode 3. So it doesn't show up. It's a light mode 4, mode 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. That's the gaming mode. So I don't know why it doesn't have other effects. See, maybe there's some misconfiguration, but I don't know. I like how it is. At least the 7 effects works, but 2 doesn't light up. I like this. I like this as well. It has a diagonal motion. Okay, so that is the game mode. That's pretty much it for the mechanical K28 keyboard. So let's move to the next product.
Zada, are you kidding me? This is the second time. Just tell me, bro. Gosh. Oh, I see there. So here is the glowing cool RGB mouse pad. Backlighting has the RGB and 7 different light modes. Okay, so you can see here, seven different colors of modes. Okay, so let's start unboxing. Okay, so here we have the glowing cool emitting mousepad, not keyboard, but a mousepad.
Nope.
It has 7 different color modes, which is the red, blue, green, white, yellow, purple, and cyan. Let's open the box. Okay, so it's a USB operated mousepad. So let's take it out of the box, and you can adjust the brightness of this thing. So let's unroll the mousepad slightly and slowly. So this is how long it is. Here is the top portion, and this is the grip portion, the back side. Okay. So the model is FSD 15 slot cloth RGB mousepad, rating 5 voltage and 100 milliamps. Let's see what else is inside the box. So this micro USB cable. So this is the plug. Displays that. Okay, it's really long wire. I think it's more than 1.5 meters. I think it's 1.8 meters. There's also 1 meters estimation, which is 1.8 1.8 meters for the length of the cable. So let's test it out.
喧騒まみれこの街の演奏玉たまま一度ついておいで世界中魅了するほどに豪華なジャパン
So what it is up, guys? So here it is, the all new emitting mousepad. It's very slick and relinquished design. Yeah, right, that's really awesome design. Okay, so let's go ahead and demonstrate to you guys what this bad boy can do. So there are 14 different color modes. So this is the first mode, the breeding mode. So see this button, you press that to switch mode. Okay, so the first mode, breeding. Second mode, breeding. Third mode, still. It's a still color, so it doesn't change any transition. So just a still color. 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 And this is the combination transition emitting mode. And that's second one for transition emitting. And this is the rapid fast emitting transition. Second one. It's not that fast than the first one. And that is all. Those are the 14 modes of this emitting mousepad. I hope you guys like how this baby can do, and it really looks awesome with dark mode, even though it's in the morning. What more if it's in the evening? Alright guys, thank you for watching my video, and I hope you learned something from the unboxing, an idea to what affordable product you will buy for your setup, for your desktop computer. And I hope you have a really nice day ahead of you, and don't forget to wear your face mask. Alright, so keep safe and God bless you all. This is Legendary Spartan signing out. Bye bye.
You don't really want smoke, you ain't about that shit. I've been cruising down the block with a badass bitch. With my mind on the chips and it's not on my hip. Fuck then I dip, say I'm finna take a trip. You don't really want smoke.